Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
So this question gives three situations and asks to determine whether the energy transferred is primarily through work or heat, and whether the delta E system is positive or negative. And so the first scenario here is a rolling billiard ball, which is defined as the system, collides with another, and the first ball stops after the collision. So this is primarily work, since there's no heat involved, and it is a negative delta E system because the first billiard ball is losing energy to the second, and so the delta E system will be negative. Letter B is a book is dropped to the floor. So again, this is work because there's no heat involved. And then the sign is again negative since the book stops moving, therefore it's losing energy. The delta E system is negative. And letter C is a father pushes his daughter on a swing. And so this is also work because, again, no heat is involved. But in this case, it's positive since the system is defined as the daughter and the swing, and the father would be the surroundings who is putting energy into the system. And so therefore, there'd be a positive delta E system for letter C.